Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually show or hide your filters on your Microsoft Excel workbook, and then how you can actually work within those filters to be able to find exactly what you're looking for. So right now we have our workbook open here, and it's really all it is it's just a budget. So it's just showing a budget for 2026 broken down by month. There's only 3 months eclipsed of the year so far, so that's why we only have January, February, and March. But if we want to go ahead and enable those filters, let's just go ahead and click up here on the top left. And what this is going to do, it's going to select our entire workbook, and then it's going to give us the filter option. We could also do this. We could just come over here and just make our selection. And then once we have that done, we can come over here to Home, come over here to Sort and Filter, and then select the filter option. You can also see there's a shortcut there for Control-Shift-L, and that'll also enable your filters. Okay, now that we have that in place, we have this little drop down, or this little arrow pointing down that we can use to be able to select the different options within those columns. So let's come over here to Bills. Now that we have this here, we can go ahead, we can decide, do we want to sort it? We can go ahead and we can sort from A to Z. If I do that, you should see not only will these different bills change order, it should also change their associated values as well. So let's go ahead and sort from A to Z and see what happens. Okay, so you can see now it's sorting dog food first, entertainment, food. So it went ahead and put it in alphabetical order, but it kept the associated values with it as well. So like the rows, it moved the entire rows. It didn't move the individual cell is what I'm trying to say. So let's go back here. And once we're within this, we can actually make some other changes as well. So we could do things like, do we want to go ahead and show and hide different options as well? Do we want to hide the dog food and toys? Do we want to hide the entertainment? We can do that. So now we just have to unclick the checkbox there. And now that it's been disabled, we can go ahead and click on OK. And now they're hidden. They're still there, but they're being hidden because if you look off here to the left, you can see that the rows it's not sequential. It's jumping from 1 to 4. So that's indicating that there is being some data there that's being filtered out. So now if we want to go ahead and bring everything back, we can just come over here and we could do clear filter from bills. And now you can see everything is back. So that is so again, it's Control-Shift-L if you want to hide them, or if they're not there and you want to have your filter show up, just do Control-Shift-L. Oops. Let me go ahead and make my selection again. And then do Control-Shift-L, and now we brought the filters back. Or, as I mentioned at the beginning, you can come over to Home, and then come over here to Sort and Filter, and then just select the filter option.